Unlocking the secrets to success can often feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. And e-commerce is always changing, so staying ahead of the curve requires continuous learning and adaptation and watching our channel every single week. Now, in my journey of reviewing over 100 clothing stores, I've uncovered $3 million secrets that can transform your business. It can transform your story, transform your life. So let me share with you 3 things that I believe everyone needs to be doing on their store to actually gain success. There's no shortcuts to success, but these are 3 things that are absolutely crucial that will take you to that level. Now, to me, one of the most striking observations from my review of clothing stores is the undeniable impact of visual merchandising on sales and conversion rate. Successful clothing stores understand the importance of creating visually compelling storefronts that actually resonate with their target audience. And this really all begins with selecting high quality images that showcase your product in their best light. You need to invest in professional product photography or leverage user-generated content to actually provide a more authentic view of your products, and in the meantime also offering some social proof to your store. Now, part of merchandising is also having a store layout and navigation that it's absolutely clear for the customer. The category labels, the intuitive search functionality, and the strategically placed call to action buttons should all guide your visitors to seamlessly order products on your store. And additionally, on top of that is incorporating visual storytelling elements such as lifestyle imagery. I think a lot of people tend to focus very much on the product images, but lifestyle imagery is going to absolutely transform your store. Product videos, customer testimonials, all these things will help you create a narrative around your brand and your product. So mastering visual merchandising, you'll capture the attention of potential customers and also compel them to explore your store even further, actually driving sales and revenue. Long gone are the days of setting up a store very quickly with a free theme, just very minimalistic, nothing to showcase. Like, you need to spend time going through what your customers are going to see and perceive about your brand once they land on that homepage. Again, I say this a lot, but the homepage is the business card of your, like, if you don't impress them within half a second within your homepage, you're gonna lose customers. So mastering this art is gonna be an absolutely crucial thing that you need to do right away. Successful e-commerce entrepreneurs also understand the importance of leveraging analytics. Analytics are going to inform their decision-making process. So with this, you can identify trends to optimize your marketing strategy. Data holds the key to unlocking growth opportunities on your Shopify clothing store. And the easiest place to start is just by going through Shopify's built-in analytics tools to actually gain insights into your store's performance, the customer behavior, sales trends, right? Tracking key metrics such as conversion rate, average order value, the customer acquisition cost, to actually gauge the effectiveness of your marketing efforts and identify areas for improvements. Now, I will implore you to not just leave those analytics in there, create your own system where you actually are able to track these analytics and have them in a spreadsheet where you can track it better, track it by month, and track what types of changes you've made to your marketing or what types of changes you've made to your clothing store in order to improve that conversion rate, in order to improve the average order value. These are all things that the top of the top actually pay attention to, and they have systems and processes in place in order to track this data better. They don't just go to their Shopify analytics once a month and just see the number and say, okay, yeah, that's cool. Like, no, they grab that data from Shopify and they place it into a system where it allows them to further analyze that and come up with better solutions. Now, on top of this, I would also have you consider integrating third-party analytics solutions. Google Analytics and Microsoft Clarity are 2 that will absolutely help you gain a deeper understanding on your audience demographics, your traffic sources, conversion funnels, actual customer behavior. So I believe that's the best trifecta right there. I would say in addition with maybe Triple Well, maybe, yeah, there you go, Triple Well. So you have 4, you have the Shopify Analytics that's already built in, you have Google Analytics, you have Microsoft Clarity, and then you have Triple Well. Having these 4, it's gonna absolutely help you identify patterns, uncover hidden opportunities, and make informed decisions to drive sales to your store. So you can listen to me, you can listen to all the gurus out there, but there is no denying your data from your store. So analyzing and having these things in place, it's the only way you're gonna be successful with your business. And then on top of that, obviously having these things in place, it's gonna allow you to then actually do some testing. So A/B test different things on your store's design, your messaging, your marketing campaigns, and you'll be able to actually experiment for the first time. You'll actually experiment on different layouts, different product descriptions, pricing strategies, and all these things are gonna be slightly different, right, from business to business. And the only way that you can track this is through robust analytic tools. Hey, if you're liking the content so far, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Now, I talked about this before. Building a strong brand identity is essential for standing out from the competition. And also creating that customer loyalty, that connection with that customer that goes beyond just the product. So the most successful clothing stores on Shopify understand the importance of crafting a unique brand narrative that actually resonates with their target audience. So start by defining your brand's mission, values, personality, right? What actually sets you apart from other clothing retailers? What problem are you trying to solve? You need to be able to communicate your brand's story effectively through your Shopify store's design, your messaging, your imagery, right? Creating a cohesive and memorable brand experience for your customers. Now, building a strong brand identity doesn't happen just on the website. You have to invest in social media. You have to invest in influencer, in ambassadors, right? Engaging with your followers authentically, sharing behind the scenes glimpses of your brand, and soliciting feedback. All these things create a sense of community and connection with your brand. Just having your values, just having your story on your website, it's not necessarily going to create that connection with your audience. Engaging with your audience is what's going to create that connection. The other great thing that some of the top brands that I've reviewed, something that they do is they prioritize sustainability, inclusivity, ethical practices in the business operations. It actually aligns with the values of their customers. So to some extent, you have to really dig down and dig deep into who your customer is and what are their values. So your brand actually talks, it just echoes some of their own personal values. So whether it's maybe sourcing eco-friendly materials, maybe offering size inclusive options, supporting charitable causes, like demonstrating that your brand is more than just clothing, that you actually have a commitment to make a positive impact in the world. Those are the brands that are truly making a difference. Those are the ones that are making seven figures. So again, success is not guaranteed, but these $3 million ideas or $1 million secrets, mastering the art of visual merchandising, embracing data-driven decision-making, and building a strong brand identity. You'll not only position your store for long-term growth, but you'll actually make an impact into your customers' lives. And that's what it's all about. Now, if you're interested in that first point, right, mastering the art of visual merchandising in your store, then you need to check out this video next, where we talk about all the necessary elements that you need to have on your homepage. Check that out.